Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll cover the topic of profit center accounting. So, and in the description box below, I'll share a link wherein I had showed you how to create a profit center master. Uh, Now, what is profit center accounting? Profit center accounting is nothing but a tool provided by SAP which determines the profit within a internal area of responsibility. This is the concept of profit center accounting. Now, what does that mean? That is nothing but a bookish concept, and the meaning of the same is uh, profit center is nothing but a master data, which is also like which is a cost object. I mean, that is also like a cost center master. The objective of cost center is to determine the costs incurred in particular sections, and the objective of profit center is to determine the profit belonging to a particular segment. So profit center master is basically been assigned with many other masters like profitability segment, like sales order, like a asset, like a material, like production order, internal order, cost object means cost centers, internal orders, and so on. So in all the mentioned master, if you go and check, you will be finding there is a field named as profit center. We generally do the assignment of profit center in those master itself, so that once the costs are being incurred in those costs objects, we can capture those costs, and as and when the incomes are being happening against those costs object, those can also be captured. So finally we can determine the uh, profit means income minus expenses. So the profit is easily calculated by using such tools, by using such cost objects, and finally we can determine our profit, and accordingly our business can take the strategic decision. So this is the concept of profit center accounting. Now let's take a real-time example. Let's take an example that we are manufacturing a product. So first of all, what will we do? Uh, we will create a material master, and in the material master itself we will assign our profit center. Accordingly we will procure the raw material, we will complete the procure to pay cycle, and accordingly means there are costs involved, there are cost centers associated with, and the cost center master itself will be having a profit center associated with it. This is the linkage. So once the procurement is happening against the material, the related cost centers are being updated, and accordingly the associated profit center is also being updated. Accordingly, once the procurement process finishes, we start the production process. So the production process also having a cost center involved, as the production also has some costs involved in it. So once the cost center of the production is being updated with the expenses, the associated profit center is also being updated, and accordingly once it is produced, we sell the same to the uh, sales order. We sell the same to the customer. So we create a sales order, and accordingly we complete the O2C cycle, and once it is completed, there are some cost centers and profit centers also involved associated, and the cost center which is being involved while creating the sales order, their associated profit center is also being involved. So the sale price is also being updated against the profit center. Hence what we can do, so our related profit centers is updated. So profit center has the cost of the selling price, the profit center has the cost of the production price, the profit center has the cost of the procurement price as well. So what we can do is we can that means sales price minus production price minus procurement price is equal to our profit. So that profit is being captured in our profit center. We can check the breakup in the profit center itself. So that's the concept of profit center accounting. I hope this is very clear to you. If it is not, then put your comments in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And next concept is the how to create the profit center master. So link would be given in the description box below. You can go through the same and you can check if it is clear to you or not. So if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel, and please keep watching the channel until the next topic comes up. Thank you. Goodbye.